Okay, so this is Paul Rainbird at Neiman Gallery, and they're opening for Indian Market Weekend. And I'm talking to
Ronnie.
and Ronnie has some incredibly classic Petty Point Zuni jewelry on, as well as Hidaki concha belt, which is just amazing. This really classic work. Anybody who knows good quality Zuni inlay, this was the best. So, what brings you to Neiman Gallery tonight?
We come every year. We lived in California, but now we live here. We've been here 5 years.
Good move.
And we've been coming to Indian Market for 29 years. And we've only missed 2 markets.
Oh my!
So this is one of our regular stops. And that's why we're here.
That's wonderful.
And we love his art.
Now, what inspires you about Dan's work?
Well, we heard a lecture at the History Museum that he gave when he was a featured artist, and hearing him talk about his work even gave us, a greater appreciation for his work. It's the color, it's the imagination, it's the design, it's everything.
Well, thank you for giving me a couple of moments, and I hope you enjoy, and I know you will, because this is the premier show in the world.
It is, and I appreciate you talking to me.
Well, thank you.